Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to host a website for free using Netlify. First, open Google, search for Netlify, and visit the official website. Now log in with Google account. Now, make sure your project folder includes an index.html file along with your CSS and JavaScript files. Remember, the index.html file is required. Next, drag and drop your entire project folder into the Upload section on Netlify. Once the site is deployed, go to Project Configuration and click on Change Project Name to customize your website's URL. Now, as you can see, I am updating the project name from a random name to Learn Withel M123. Please wait for a few seconds. After updating the name, your website will be live and accessible using the new link. As you can see, my website is working properly. This website is a simple project that tracks cursor movement and performs animations. That's it. Your website is now hosted for free using Netlify. You can host any type of website here. For language support, check the Netlify website. You'll find a complete list there. I hope this is clear. Now you can host your own website in minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.